Did Dyson update the Supersonic Professional Edition dryer? Yes, they did, and that's what we're talking about today. I'm really excited about this. This video is in partnership with Dyson, and what we're talking about today is the amazing update they've made to the Dyson Supersonic Professional Edition. As a hairstylist, there are many factors that play into what I do as a professional, whether it's the tools I use, and when it comes down to the hair dryer, I've used many hair dryers throughout my career. What is so special about the Dyson Supersonic? I know it's been around for quite some time now, and I have been a massive fan, and I'm never going back to any other dryer because it's just performed fantastic for me since I started using this. The biggest point of this is the new re-engineered filter, and this is going to be a lifesaver for us professionals because when we're in the salon, we're blow drying hair all day, we're using hairspray, and the filters tend to get clogged up. The new technology in this filter really is going to help us in the salon so we can not only see more clients, but we can also get more use between blow dries. So what makes this filter so unique and so special? So I've got the updated Supersonic here on the bottom, and this is the previous edition right here. So you can see there's not a whole lot of difference just right from looking at it, but there is a big difference as far as the filters go. So here it's thicker. It's a much thicker filter. It looks a bit more solid and more secure. And that to me means, yes, this is probably going to last longer and it's going to be better for stylists. So what you see here is the filter from the original Dyson Supersonic, and yes, this works. It's been great. It captures all of the buildup and the products like hairspray and things like that, and you rinse it off and it's easy to use. Now, the new washable heavy-duty filter lasts longer between clients. The depth-loaded maximum efficiency, maximum airflow filter captures particles such as hairspray to protect performance. So it's engineered to meet the demands of a busy salon and a busy hairstylist. And just by comparing the two, you could see that it's a much bigger difference. Look at how much thicker that this is. And taking a look at the inside of the filter, you could see, yes, it's going to capture a lot more of those particles. So to me, I feel more confident knowing that I'm going to get more use out of it between clients. The fact that this filter, I mean, again, it comes on and off so easily, to me, it doesn't get any easier. And there's even two little arrows. See the little arrows right there? Mm-hmm. So it's like, pull down, you rinse it off under the sink, you take this off just like this, very simple, within a matter of seconds, and then you put it right back on, and then you push up, and it's back on. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. So I am excited about the new filter. I am excited the fact that we can get more longevity between clients, which, as we all know, you're able to blow dry a few more heads. So the Dyson Supersonic Professional Edition, it's ergonomically balanced. To me, that makes a lot of sense. It's lightweight, okay? It's designed so that we as professionals can get the job done quicker, we can see more clients, our shoulders aren't killing us at the end of the day, and that's one thing I really do love about how this is designed. So it's lightweight. Sometimes I'll do a couple of curls between clients. Is this cool if I do like 15 reps right here? But what's amazing is that you can see, look, it's very mobile and easy to function with as a stylist. Also, the attachments. We've got those amazing magnetic attachments, which to me, as a stylist, they snap right on. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. And the diffuser, I must say, has come in very handy. Dyson is really staying true to us professionals and coming out with amazing technology and amazing products. So if you are a professional and you are interested in purchasing this, in the description below is all the information you need to not only order it, but you can also get a professional discount on the Dyson Supersonic Professional Edition. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon for more videos with the Salon Guy.